talk about Amazonia. What is it? And why it's so important? The Amazon rainforest is a tropical rainforest. They are located near the equator and thrive in high rainfall, high temperature and high humidity environments. The Amazon basin is home to the world's largest tropical rainforest, also called Amazonia. To describe Amazonia, we need to begin with geography and basics. The Amazon basin is the region of South America drained by the Amazon River and its thousands of tributaries which altogether irrigate half of South America. The Amazon rainforest covers 80% of the Amazon basin and 40% of the South American continent. Amazonia lies in 9 different countries: Brazil, Bolivia, Peru, Ecuador, Colombia, Venezuela, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana. Nearly 60% of the Amazon rainforest lies in Brazil. What makes Amazonia so special is its unique attributes. First, Amazonia is known to be the world's richest and most diverse biological reservoir. It is home to 30% of the world's species. This mosaic of ecosystem and vegetation include, for example, 40,000 plant species, 16,000 tree species, and 3,000 fish species. Then, Amazonia plays a crucial role in the carbon cycle, and thus in stabilizing local and global climate. Thanks to its large vegetation, the Amazon rainforest takes large amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and releases oxygen through the energy-creating process of photosynthesis, providing approximately 1/5 of the oxygen we breathe. Thirdly, Amazonia is home to around 400 to 500 indigenous Amerindian tribes. More than 34 million people live in the region and rely on all its resources. Amazonia is a source of livelihood for indigenous peoples, underlying a natural and cultural diversity. Last but not the least, Amazonia plays a crucial role in the future health and welfare of humanity. In fact, 25% of Western medicine is derived from plants in the rainforest. Yet, only 1% of the known plant and animal species have been thoroughly examined for their medicinal potential. We agree that Amazonia is essential. So what? The issue is that despite the global agreement on its importance, Amazonia is one of the most endangered forests in the world. It is being destroyed at an alarming rate, and you can easily guess the main factor of this destruction: human activity. Since 1970, the rate of destruction of Amazonia has drastically increased due to the abuse of various activities such as deforestation, fires, logging, infrastructure development, and settlers clearance. As a result, the rainforest has lost 18% of its original primary forest, and up to 50% of the forest has been partially destroyed. This destruction comes with a dreadful price. The destruction risks to irreversibly damage the fragile ecological processes and the delicate ecosystem balance both locally and globally. Then, since the rainforest produces half of its own rainfall through evaporation and transpiration, destroying it will damage the water cycle. It would affect the rainfall and agriculture throughout South America, causing trees to die and impossibility to support the rainforest ecosystem. Lastly, it will impact climate change by causing massive release of carbon dioxide, absorbed, stored, and transformed in the atmosphere, and increasing the warming of the planet. Deforestation threatens the rights and life of the local communities by destroying the land they depend on. Not only they're losing their territory and their homes, but also their human rights, such as the right to health, to housing, to food, which are being blatantly violated in the process. As you can see, there are critical ties linking the health of rainforests to the rest of the world. The future of Amazonia is our future, our planet's future. Keep in mind, this is not a regional issue. Those far-reaching consequences will affect the world as a whole. The endless pursuit of short-term gains exposes the world to long-term consequences. Check the other episodes of this mini-series to keep learning about Amazonia. Follow our social media to stay updated on this issue and join the fight for Amazonia.